Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to use favourite locations to access your local weather. Favourite locations are shortcuts you create to give you quick access to the places you check weather the most. Your saved locations will appear on your homepage and in your favourites menu. Use search to find a location. You can search by postcode, town, state, forecast district. Select the star next to the location name to add it to your favourites. Add as many favourites as you like. To remove a favourite, select the star. The star will clear and a banner will confirm the location has been removed. To see all your favourites, click or tap the star icon at the top right of your screen. Select any favourite to view the latest observations, forecasts and warnings for that area. Your first favourite automatically becomes your homepage, so you see it whenever you visit bom.gov.au. To change what you see on your homepage, click or tap the star icon at the top right of your screen and select Manage Favourite Locations. Scroll down to the heading Homepage Options to choose what you want to see on your homepage. Select Capital City Overview to see all capital cities' weather every time you visit the BOM website. You can choose any of your favourite locations to feature on your homepage. For this video, I'm going to choose Mount Isa from my list of favourite locations. You can choose to always see the rain radar or only when rain is forecast. For this video, I'm going to select Always Show the Rain Radar. This saves automatically. To see how your selected location looks on the BOM website homepage, click the home icon on the banner on any page. If your favourites aren't saving, go to the website's help section and select Favourites and Current Location for troubleshooting advice. Learn more on bom.gov.au/website-help.